We're seeing more spot ETF Bitcoin news, and we're seeing Elizabeth Warren going against crypto right now. And that's what's really insane right now. What's happening, everyone? Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I sure am. Seems like there's a ton of content. Seriously, like a ton of content in the crypto space. And that's a good thing to see. But let's take a look at what exactly is going on with crypto in the following next few days. Now, crypto has been growing at unprecedented levels, and that is because of one thing, the spot Bitcoin ETF. Everybody is excited about that. And I do think it will see even bigger price hikes in that sense because of all these massive changes that right now people are just like waiting for the big bull run.
That BlackRock once again met with the SEC today, and this brings the total number of official SEC meetings between current Bitcoin spot ETF filers to 24. It's been a very
24 of them listing. Again, these are probably going to be listed at the same time. So at first we thought it was just going to be one, and if you have 24 of the biggest world investment groups listing a single product, it's going to skyrocket. It's going to skyrocket with any company. Just like when Tesla, for example, goes public, it skyrocketed because investors bought in. And when they get listed on exchanges, people will buy literally Bitcoin because they didn't know how to buy it before. And I think this is where the huge excitement comes in for many of the people. This is where people like are going to be saying, yeah, this is the start. This is the beginning for the crypto industry. And where I think we make our big stand.
Very busy month, folks. In fact, 2 months, I would say. A lot of meetings with the SEC. It seems that the deadline of January 10th, we will see something then. Hopefully it's not a denial. Hopefully all of these back and forths and meetings and dialogue lead to the approvals. Very exciting times. And of course, we're waiting to see Bitcoin's next move. Right now, Bitcoin is consolidating. If you look at the charts, and if we look at the macro, the Dow Jones has made new all-time highs. It looks like
So yeah, if the Dow Jones made a new all-time high, there's not gonna be anything smaller in that sense. So that's what I'm excited about. Like, does seem like there is gonna be massive opportunities in this crypto space pretty much shortly. Pretty much crypto going up like we want it to. And I definitely do think this could be a new beginning for crypto. This could be like the point where people will be calling 40K Bitcoin a bear market.
NASDAQ is ready to make some new all-time highs, and the S&P as well. So crypto has followed the stock market and global liquidity. So all eyes are on these charts to see what's the next move. And, we might see a convergence of the markets, the charts, everything going to new all-time highs, the Bitcoin spot ETFs, and that could be pretty incredible for the crypto market where euphoria returns. However, I am personally just looking for Bitcoin's retracement to 50.
So yeah, it seems like Bitcoin could be retracing a bit, but when you look at the big picture here, it does seem like that the big institutions coming in, the big investors who never knew how to buy crypto before, coming in is going to be the massive big hit of 2023. Now, I do think crypto still has a lot of room to grow. I do think anything could change. I do think if we're hit with a recession, crypto is going to take a hit. I'm not denying that. But the importance here is it's looking good right now. And there's no reason it won't look good. There's like, if NASDAQ is at all-time high, guess what? Like every single crypto coin out there is probably going to rise as well. And I think this is where people are really excited about that part.
K or so, then it rolls over and hits that 30K support level. And at which point it's going to continue to move upwards. We're in an uptrend in the next bull market, but this bull market lasts over multiple years. So please keep that in mind. But I think bullish times are ahead. We do have to be patient. Let Bitcoin do its thing, build some support levels here, break through resistance once again, and keep moving upwards. Now, big news of the day. Senator Elizabeth Warren says crypto firms shouldn't partner with ex-government officials. So
now that's something that I don't know if it's crypto related, but the crypto firms shouldn't partner with ex-government officials because they will have like an unclear advantage. Now, I don't know how true that is. Like, I don't know if it's that really gonna happen or not, but I think this is a problem, definitely a problem for a lot of these crypto exchanges in a way. Like, we never considered that. It's where the money starts rolling in, the crypto holders are going to be taking the biggest hits in that sense. So that being said, does seem like crypto is just getting started again on these crypto bull runs, these price hikes, all of the awesome stuff is just the beginning. And that's the good thing about it. There's no like bad stuff in crypto. There's no bad news happening. And this is what really upsets the government, because the government is probably gonna make a ton of money, like not the government directly, but the big institutions that trying to be government compliant will basically make revenue and commissions. And these exchanges, they weren't really regulatory approved, whatever that is. So they're gonna end up banning them in a sense. They're end up gonna ostracizing them from the group as they're not the part of the group. And I think that's the like problematic part about it, like where people are afraid of basically crypto, where they're afraid of all these price levels, all these price actions. They really don't want to stay in crypto too long just because of that sense, in that meaning. So I do think there is room for potential for sure. So there is going to be a lot of utility in the next few days for all of these.
Military and law enforcement participation in our industry and their involvement in the November 15th letter to undermine her efforts to drive crypto companies offshore through unworkable and misguided legislation. As Americans, we all share the common goal of fighting terrorism and protecting our national security. Senator.
So crypto is like fighting terrorism or something. I'm not too sure, but it's definitely like what got people worried about that. So I think this is like a problematic factor in a sense. Like, is crypto terrorism? I don't know if she addressed that, but they sent a letter to the crypto industry, and this regulation has been right now what would be so brazen as right legislation that could effectively ban crypto. So I don't think crypto is going to get banned in the US anymore. Like, I think it's just getting seriously regulated, and we're seeing like tons of regulation. So the crypto industry is going to be taking a hit. In the UK, they completely regulated it, and I think this is where the problem came in. It's problematic for sure, but this doesn't mean it can like recover in a sense. So if you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button, and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Till next time, peace everyone.